There she go, there she go. That's the one I got.
God, my nose. At Walmart?
Yeah, well, one person came in and was like, I just want to let you guys know that there's a dog in the parking lot and one window was down. And she's like, it's this much.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I did pick it out. I asked Christian. He's like,
Why would you choose this crappy car?
see, Christian? That's straight up an Eagle.
I can't see it.
It's in front of the car. Hold on. See it?
Who made that?
That's what I'm saying.
It's naturally
This
that
is
way.
not naturally made.
Yes, it is.
I can't
No,
even
it's
see
natural
it.
for
Oh,
mud.
whoops.
There's no running
There it is.
Water.
There's no water up there, and there's
Zoomed in. Darn it.
What is it?
Is it gonna get it?
fog.
Wait. Don't close the door. You can't really even see it. Cameras never get how big this actually is. Look way down there.
Yeah. Put it in the bag. Don't even hug me.
Look out. Oh, ew. Smells like crap. Yeah, look behind you. Actually, look behind you.
All day though?
I actually want to get.
Alright guys, so.
Dang.
This view is not great.
But I mean, you can
Like, no, and I was like, okay.
He's actually very friendly.
Come on, select.
It's a lake.
I'll go splash in it.
Did I zoom in on accident? What? It won't focus. Oh, there we go.
What?
Again? I hate carrying this thing.
You can see the city. Cameron's just carrying a backpack. Look at Cameron's backpack.
Hey Cameron, nice backpack.
The city.
Oh.
Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. The city. Back to the water. Well, hey Maddie, you vlogging too?
Green trees.
Oh, that's funny.
Let's go find that trail.
That bridge right there. Let's go down
It's a
here.
tree house.
Keep going down this way. We'll come back to this one.
I don't know if it's a trail though. I think it's just water here.
No, I think they like go down. You can see footsteps and stuff. I got that far from the bike.
Whoa.
Whoa, there's houses. There's houses.
Look, there's people over there.
Hey, people. Houses.
People. 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 There's people over there. Look on that bridge. Oh, there. Right there. I will. No. Huh? Why? That's not fair. Go, man. Just be careful. Follow the trail they're going.
If you fall, I'm gonna laugh.
I'm not going.
Yeah, you are. Dumb brat.
Don't rush me.
You are right now.
I know, but you won't make it up.
Oh, I should have had them take my phone.
Hold on. Zuzu, no, you can't go down. Zuzu, come here. Come on.
Is she?
He said, I still need. She's like, hurry back up, Zuzu,
I was in the summer and I went through the field because of the construction and I lost her. And I lost my inhaler.
oh yeah, we found it.
We did? Oh yeah, we did. The heck was that?
What? Now we'll get sunburned.
I'm not.
What the heck is that black thing up there?
No, no, no. No, no, no.
No. Cameron.
What's over there? Is it a bear?
Fair, yeah.
No, don't.
No.
Mace, come over here.
Up here. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
I'll be right here with you. No, don't record. We'll record him like secretly.
Not even really going.
Oh, we could have went around.
Here.
The city.
It's the descent nest.
Here, I can get a picture.
We walked really far. You scared it. You scared the 3 deers. Sorry. Oh, zoomed in. Whoops. Recording. And we're back. Now we have to go all the way over there. Yep. All the way to that. My phone's dead. All the way to that trail.
Oh, look, deer. Just keep going.
Yeah, you better go to the car cover.